say. Mayang nos ting youth event, diasabra nos ting main event, di Lidera. Awe pa un surprise pa boso, nos atrese Melis Senova. Melis Senova actually arrived yesterday. She literally she's been here for 12 hours now. 12 hours, so yeah, nos tabing doen een tikje mas information over die evento, paturende, ting pari kaartjes sobra. Yeah, met de keren als je papi kom lees staan met tiki, let her explain
Exactly.
What she's going to bring to the event. So I think we can start with her, and then
Yes.
we'll give some more information. And I think today is ticket giveaway day, right?
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
Yeah.
It
Very
is.
excited and
Very important.
welcome, Melissa.
And Melis has the
Hey.
innocent hand who's gonna pick the ticket.
Yes. Hi, Melis.
Hello.
We
Good
are
morning.
so honored to have you here in the studio with us.
Thank you. Thank you.
So
It's
welcome.
wonderful. Thank you. It's very
So-
good to be here.
What can we expect at the Lidera Conference? I mean, it's a hype and everybody is talking about it. So it's bringing, this positive energy around. So we want to know from you, what can people expect?
Well, I think the topic of purpose and having a very clear sense of why we do things, why we live the way that we live, our organisations, why we work where we work, and why we do what we do is becoming more and more important. So I'm going to be talking about that. I'm going to be talking about my experience with that. I'm going to be telling a story about Top Gun and how that sent my life on a completely different trajectory when I was 10. And I'm going to be talking about my experience working with fighter pilots and how purpose has played a fundamental role in who I am and how I am.
That is awesome. So for the ones who are listening, maybe they don't really know a lot. They want to know, but who is Melis? What do you do?
That's
why
a really great question. You should
why
ask
are
her.
you here?
Well, I have spent my life understanding people. I've studied humanity and how to design for humanity.
Oh, that's awesome.
And so my entire life has been about how do I make governments better, businesses better, services better, products better for humans. And that requires a really clear sense of understanding how people are in the world and what we need to create in the world for people.
That is awesome because I
Yeah.
think we need more people like that. We need more people with purpose
Yeah.
so we
Yeah,
can make a
thank
difference
you.
in this world.
Yeah. And my love affair with design has been long-standing, 25 years. And design is just the most powerful, creative way to solve really, really complex challenges that we're all facing. And so that's what I've been doing for 25 years.
That is great. So, I mean, if the people out there, are you listening to us now and you really want to know what this is about, they have to be at this conference.
Yes, that's right.
Yes. It will be tomorrow. Will be for the kids
Yes.
or youth,
Papimento of English or
whatever you want.
okay, well, I can do it in English too. Tomorrow we have the youth event, the athlete event. This one will be hosted by Trent Shelton. He wanted to connect with the youth. He's a motivational speaker for the NFL in the United States. He's an ex-NFL player, ex-college football players. He's been on the highest highs professionally and the lowest lows after he had an injury. So he wants to come explain that, how he got over that and became one of the top motivational speakers in the world. We have a panel of local people also. We have Jordi Groters, who's an ex-swimmer that's doing big things here. We have Diva Lane here, who's a ex-synchro professional, actually professional, because after school she got her scholarship, went to the States, went to college. After that, worked for SeaWorld and on cruise ships as a aquatic acrobat. We have Nicole Hooverts, who's currently the vice president of the entire Olympic Committee. So she's the
Yes.
one, an Arubian, organizing the Olympics for the entire world.
Yes.
So she's going to be there. And we have Lefty Elliott, who's a Paralympic competitor. So he's going to explain it. And the idea behind our panel is that, yes, we want people or our athletes to become professionals, but we want to show them that if you don't become a professional, there is there is another road that you can create a great life for yourself as an athlete. So to not give up on that. So that's the main idea behind this conference. It's completely free. So if you're a coach and you want to come with your team, please sign up. Call us or visit us on our social media, on our Facebook page. Look for the youth event flyer. There's a link there. You click on it. You sign up your whole team. It's completely free, and it's not going to be the kids just come there and listen. No, we're giving them the entire Lidera experience from Saturday. We're doing it on Friday for them for free. All you have to do is find that flyer, click on it, or call ATIA, and we'll help you out.
Hold on, that's for tomorrow.
That's tomorrow.
All right, okay.
For the youth.
Yeah,
no,
for
we're
the
talking-
youth tomorrow.
Alex,
please.
you're not invited for that. you're not youth anymore.
I am. I
you,
feel.
You feel it, but yeah, you don't look at it.
So what age group are you expecting tomorrow?
Okay, the age group is we're right now between 10 and 20. So as long as you're a student, you can come, and you have to be able to understand. Most of the event will be in Papiamento, but of course Trent will be in English. Also, the event is hosted and moderated by Giancarlo Espinel, who's also, he's actually one of our panelists the
Yes.
next day, but he works a lot with the youth on the island too.
Exactly.
So it's going to be an amazing event. We have a DJ. We have it's going to be something fun. It's not
What time does it start tomorrow?
tomorrow. It starts. The doors open at 4, and it's from 4:30 to 6:30.
4:30 till
Yes.
6:30. Okay, so if you're a parent, can you sign up your child, or you have to be an
Yes.
organization?
No. If you're a parent and you have a child, sign them up. We have about 350 students or athletes already signed up through their organizations.
Nice.
We have about 150 more seats. So I expect that how it went yesterday, that by the end of the day will be sold out.
Okay.
So don't be left out, because again, it is a free event and people are signing up.
As soon
and
as
the-
I'm in the school, I'm going to promote it
Yes,
to my kids.
the fun thing about this event is that we're telling all the coaches, bring the athletes, let them wear their uniforms, let them support their teams. It will be a team building event for them too.
Yeah.
To bring them closer. The school year just started, so this
Yes,
is the right
exactly.
time for the teams to come together.
That is great.
And this sounds like one of those potential life-changing moments for
Exactly.
these kids.
Yes.
And that's one of the things I'm going to be talking about. But it sounds like it could be an event that changes the perspective and the direction of a lot of children. So really, really important. to
That
get
is
along.
awesome. So, and for Saturday, and what if I still want tickets for Saturday for the conference? What
Okay.
can I do?
Okay, what can you do? The easiest thing is call ATIA right now.
Yes.
582-7593 582-7593. Or follow us on social medias. There's links to sign up. The website that we have is lideraconference.org. On that website, you get all the information. You can even sign up for tickets. And Pay.away has a couple of tickets. I think there's about 40-something tickets left on Pay.away. So you can check them out there. If they're individual tickets, if it's group tickets, call us or email us. We'll have all that information through the website. We'll get the emails. So just send us an email there. And the VIP, unfortunately, the innovator tickets are sold out.
Okay.
We were sold out on Wednesday. Yesterday, unfortunately, 2 companies, one had to cancel due to loss of a colleague. So they're in mourning. We totally respect that and we empathize with them. And,
Yeah, sure.
and we were like, yes, fine, that's okay. So we have 1 table left, and I think there were a couple of seats available on other tables. So the innovator includes the meet and greet on Friday evening. That's only for the innovators. And then the adopter tickets are still available on Pay.away or through us and the office.
So then Saturday it starts at 9 o'clock.
Yes, 9 o'clock. Hopefully sharp. We're going to be sharp this time. 8 o'clock, the doors open to sign up, so come on time. We have literally a packed schedule for the whole morning. It's going to be a fun event, so don't expect to come there and sit in your seat the whole time.
That is nice.
We have Jennifer van der Biesen as our local speaker. The event is moderated and hosted by Larissa Bermudez. We have Melis comes up after Jennifer. After Melis, we take a little break, coffee break. People can mingle, socialize. We set up for the panel. The panel will be Mingli Jacobs, who's the key motivational leader. We have Wanda Bruksama as to explain her journey and her purpose, where she went and how she got where she is right now. And Giancarlo Espinel, as I think all of you know, a guy that started as a DJ,
Exactly.
radio host, TV host, serial entrepreneur now. I think he has like 5-6 businesses and is building his empire on the island.
Exactly.
And the guy that you know, he inspires me. I've known him as a kid and still inspires me every day. So that's what we wanted to do. We wanted to have non-traditional panelists to be on there and explain their journey of purpose. And then after the panel is done, a short lunch break with a surprise act. We're not going to announce who the act is. You have to be there to find out who the act is. During lunch, we have the act there, short lunch, and then afterwards we'll have Trent Shelton. And after Trent is done, a small, you know, people are not going to leave. They're not going to want to leave. So we have a little other surprise for them
That's
at the end
great.
too.
Thank you guys so much for coming over, for giving all this explanation to us, and I'm really looking forward. I'm gonna go today to buy my tickets for
Fantastic.
sure.
You don't have to go. You can just go on your phone.
Go online.
Pay that away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pay that away.
I have to-
Or on
I
the
have to put
website.
it, pay that away. Yes.
2
But,
days, 5 minutes, and
yes.
51 seconds. 50
Yes.
seconds.
That
Oh,
is
yes.
awesome. I'm looking
Showtime.
forward to this. And
Yeah,
Melis,
me too.
I want to congratulate you
Thank you.
to be here, and thank you also to be here, so you can
course.
share your experience with everybody on this Saturday.
Thank you.
So we all know why we do what we do, and we have to have a purpose.
Yes.
Thank you guys so much, Hark. Thank you for being here. Masha danki a inabot in chance pa ta parte di e curso e conferenza aqui di Lidera. Tem algo mais que você quer dizer para me conhecer?
Ja, se me por, me quero bisa danken a nos, ja, nos supporters nang, e nos partner nang, nos ting sing e partner nang en e sponsors nang bono por executar evento assim.
Exactly.
Dus nos partner nang ta Seitar e Aruba Bank, nos ting nos believers nang ko da Banco Central de Aruba, Elite Productions e Romar Trading. Também nós temos bolso como Cool FM, Fresh FM, inteiro grupo, como nos radio supporters, FCCA, Aruba Tourism Association, Romar, Guardian Group, e Aruba Sun, who nos supporters nang, and we have many more supporters. So thank you everybody. Pamibisa tour hende danki. Sing e persona nang ko join us, sing e sponsor nang, sing e persona nang ko compra e carci nang. Nos não por a executar o evento por nada para a juventude de Aruba. Esse para nós estava onde nos goals não que nos por a lague por nada então nós chega aí não.
Tremendo.
Dus esse está para nós logro hopi grande passou uiteindelijk o futuro de Aruba, future leaders não tá atleta parte tá atleta não. Dus esse nos que queda motivar não para nós seguir bom rumbo positivo.
Hopi bom. E hopi danki para você na visita e seguro eta baita éxito rotundo, mita sinti caba e energia que tem rondi e conferência aqui de Lidera. Pois a boa gente que ainda tá beza tá pensando, não tinha ainda, por vai riba pay.away, por vai riba website de Lidera. Vou repetir o website para nós?
O website é lideraconference.org. Lideraconference.org. Se você vai em Google, busca Lidera, it will pop up all the way on the top.
Okay.
Dia 27, 9 por di mainda te ku 2 horas di ATIA na Marriott Ballroom.
Correcto.
Yes.